up by 3. www.v-league.ph is the official website of the Shaky V-League. And Man Panganiban was trying to imitate a goldfish earlier. What's up with that, man?
Ay, nako. Maraming salamat, Noel. We saw how great the start is of the air women of the Philippine Air Force is. Pero medyo they failed to pull away and close out the first set. Pero ang game plan nila ngayon, minimize lang yung production ni Lauren Ford at ni Boli. They recognize how unstoppable this offense, or their offense is. So tatapatan lang daw nila ng matyagang blocking at bibong-bibong floor defense, sabi nga ni Coach. And guys, I'm sure you noticed the bright shoes of the air women.
Okay.
Yeah, I just can't help but ask Coach Dong kung kamusta naman yung mga bagong sapatos nila. He said the team chose to sport the yellow pair. Sila yung pumili. Pinapili sila kung blue o yellow. Gusto nila super bright yellow. And this is courtesy of their commanding general, Lieutenant General Oscar Rabena, with a B. Kala ko ano natin.
Pero I think kamag-anak rin nila, nila po.
Oh, kahit na letter B.
Yeah. I-claim ko yan, General eh. Tsaka namimigay na shoes.
Sasabihin mo kay General, size 13 ako.
Ako 9 po, sir. Si Maan daw po 8.
Si Maan 8. Nice serve there coming from Benito. Ayan, 8-8 ang ating score. Tumapla na po itong kuponan ng San Sebastian dito. And Joy Benito to serve once again. Pag ilang ace na ni Benito, nakakarami na siya eh. And Resio, Semana, Vivas on the combination, kept alive by Doria. Here's De Leon for Boli, blocked there by Semana of all people.
And De Ramos and Semana were just waiting for that hit by Boli. Alam na nila na kay Jeng Boli bibigay. Look at these
Kay
two
De Ramos,
blockers.
kay De Ramos.
Sabay na sabay eh, diba? So, De Ramos again with another block point.
And that's enough to give the Air Force another 1-point lead. Crisostomo. Here's the combination now for Jill Gustilo. And it is a check ball at the net from Aiza Maizo.
Lucky break there. It went out already pero na-check. So, De Leon now with 13 successful sets. Semana with 11. Hindi naman nagkakalayo.
They will cancel each other out. Pati na rin yung offense nila will cancel each other out. Pinag-usapan nga natin at the top of the coverage as there's another ace from San Sebastian. Is the second leading scorers for both teams must step up. In the case of Air Force, hindi nga si Manzano nagsi-step up. It's De Ramos who's the third leading scorer on the team.
And then, you know what's happening here is that San Sebastian, babatiin ko pa lang sana, has been giving a lot of offensive services, di ba?
Right.
Parang service pa lang, offense na. So, kaya nakaka-earn sila ng extra points from those serves. Pero dun kay Jill Gustilo, an error on the serve that time.
10 all is the score. Another close second set here. Boli over everybody. Here's Maizo for Amy Guanco. Guanco!
Hindi mo alam kung saan pinalusot yun eh. Amy Guanco, that down the line hit.
Ano ba maiden name nito si Amy Guanco?
Ay, yan yun.
Guanco pa rin?
Oo.
Okay. Just checking. Nagkaabot pa kayo dito?
Hindi, pero younger yan sa akin.
Testing ko rin lang.
Oo.
De Leon with a sweeping
Honest
attack.
naman ako.
Sige na.
Kasi, alam mo kung saan ko ito nakakatapat? Badminton tournament.
Ganon, ha?
Oo. May utang pa sa akin yan, tinalo ako nung last meeting. Hindi ako makatulog.
Babawi ka.
Ganun lang talaga. Lagi
Semana.
ko tinitignan eh. Sabi ko, may utang ka.
Here is Boli off the block of Maizo, kept alive there by Semana. Manzano now for Guanco. Benito. Boli. Resio. Semana, back set. Maizo. Dug up by Benito, too near the net. So Rubias to attack. Here's Maizo once again into the face of Janet Doria.
Still playable though.
And now Semana on the setup. Guanco.
Amy Guanco wanting to just push the ball. Actually, she had the right thing in mind para mabago lang yung rhythm.
Right.
Yung balikan. But not enough power to push that ball over.
And the Mikasa MVA 300 is the new official game ball of the Shakey's V-League Season 8. More intense rallies and more thrills with the Mikasa MVA 300. Boli. Wow!
Now that goes into the blockers.
Eat that, Lisa De Ramos. Yun ang sinasabi rito ni Boli.
Kanya ka pa.
Oo.
Pero really, De Ramos doing a great job.
And now San Sebastian's lead is up to 2. Janet Doria serving once again. Dami ng ace din yan. Semana. De Ramos on the delay. Gustilo. Too near the net for anybody there. It might have been Ford or Bowley. In fact, they bump into each other.
Kulang na, initay ko na nga, mag-untugan na. Jeng Boli and
Yan ang,
Ford.
the clash of USA and Thailand.
Oo nga. But you want that happening kesa yung naiiwan yung bola.
Oo.
Mabuti nang magagawa. And Guangco now with 3 attack points and a serve point.
Oh, Ford. It helps
Just a
to be
push.
6-3.
That's right.
Kasi
Nothing
yung set ni Ruby papunta na sa kapila, hinabol pa ni Ford eh.
At saka pababa, nakita mo
Oo.
yung trajectory ng bola. Halos power tip.
Here's Semana right now setting up. Oh, Manzano, that was delayed so long
That's
that it
right.
threw off the timing of Crisostomo.
With hang time, Manzano getting that point on the push.
Ang magandang balita rin para sa San Sebastian. I was talking to Coach Roger earlier and I was also talking to Jennifer Salgado. Jennifer Salgado might actually start playing in the next game.
Alright.
And that will be some kind of a record in terms of recovery from an MCL injury na wala pa isang buwan.
Well, kasi may ano rin yan eh, kung yung gravity of the
Oo.
MCL injury. So, depende rin. Baka masipag mag-
Oh, Lauren Ford! Nobody was in the back line.
Lauren Ford targeting the back row. Successful in doing so, as we'll see it once again.
Sabi niya, boink, nasa na lahat ng tao doon? Boink, sabi ni Semana.
Nasa harap kayong lahat.
And you can see, there's Jennifer Salgado. We're talking about her. Oh my God daw. Oh my God, Jennifer Salgado.
Everyone is waiting for you. Coach
yan.
Clint, Coach Roger. Na
Coach Roger gets out of the way.
overexposed na daw si Coach Roger.
Oo. So, matagal na natin nakikita naka-shorts na maong. Ito si Jennifer Salgado. Makikita na natin.
At talagang yung pa yung tinitignan mo, no?
Hindi, kasi lahat naman sila. Tingnan mo naman. Yung kakulay siya,
okay,
maong lang.
okay.
Pag nagbaw sila, parang stick out talaga. Maan, gumagatong pa. Diba? Uy, usong-uso yan ngayon, ha? Naalala ko kagabi. Kagabi, ha? May party kasi kami para sa PBA Talents kagabi, no? Kasama namin yung makeup artist namin. Napakagaling na makeup artist, si Junbi. Namin. We'll talk about Junbi later when we come back to this technical time. The San Sebastian is opened up a 2-point lead.